Today it's all about fun, guys. We're not doing any sort of unboxing or anything in this video. It's going to be completely different, and I'm pretty sure you people will have like super fun watching this video. So thing is, my friend is coming over to my place. He's from Mumbai, and it's been like quite some time I haven't met him. And let me tell you, this guy is like a pro drone pilot, and he flies a lot of FPV racing drones. I'm not sure if you people know what these are, but these FPV racing drones are like mini quads, nano drones, guys, that can fly at like super fast speeds, and you can even attach like action cameras on them, and they can shoot amazing video quality. And on top of that, now you need to use some exclusive gear like FPV goggles and DJI controllers. And using these goggles, you can actually see like a live HD transmission video from that drone in your goggles, guys. It's like super fun stuff. So my friend is bringing a couple of his drones and the whole FPV goggles and also that DJI controller, and today in this video we'll be having fun with this thing. So he'll be coming in almost like 25 or 30 minutes, guys. He's already on the way, so let's go catch up with him. Yo, homie.
What's up?
How long did it take?
35 minutes?
So guys, this is the person I was talking about. My chaddi buddy finally arrived at my place, and he bought the mal which I was talking about in the video, guys. Drone guy. क्या लाया भाई, पूरा package. Oh. Okay, we're gonna have a closer look at this once we go inside. Okay, so what did you bring for us?
Yeah, so that's like my micro quad. That's the decased GoPro Hero 9. I decased that.
You did this everything yourself, right?
I did it myself, yeah.
Awesome. You bought the VR headset also?
Of course. तो उड़ाएगा कैसे? This is another Hero 9, by the way.
Arey, how many do you have?
Decased 2 of them. So this is the and now for the big boys.
Big boys, क्या है वो? VR headset?
Yo, this is the.
Now this is what I was like eagerly waiting to get my hands on. Look at that.
So I've put custom antennas as well on this.
Acha, why?
So
what do
in
they
case
do?
I want more range and penetration.
Acha,
So yeah, and my controller, which looks very similar to the DJI Phantom controller.
Okay. Nice cases, man. Did you buy them separately?
Yes, I did.
Now that looks pro. Okay, show me your batteries in your hand. How many? How many are there?
Like I think
Pura collection.
this is one half, not even one half, 1/4 of my collection.
Oh my. So how long can you fly? Like with all of these batteries, can you go like 3 to 4 hours?
No. So each battery will give me about 6 minutes with the full GoPro.
Okay.
And these tiny ones,
This whole thing,
Yeah.
6 minutes?
yeah, about 6 minutes.
Uh-huh.
And this one, this will give me about 2.5 minutes.
Oh.
on the- with the GoPro Hero 9.
So guys, now it's finally time to check out those drones which I was talking about. So we've got Lysander over here, the pro drone guy, very experienced in flying,
Not a
racing
pro.
FPV drones. He says like that, but let me show you his drone flying skills. You get to see them right now. So Lysander, show me all your drone collection and give it like a small brief.
So you can see these drones.
Oh.
I've built this from scratch.
Guys, look at this. Racing drone with a GoPro Hero 10 on top of it.
I've given it a India theme.
Very nice. Jai Hind, guys. Acha, tell me, along with this, you've got that special headgear also, right?
Yeah.
Show them to the audience. So guys, we're gonna put this on our head and actually get like a real-time preview of what the drone is seeing. Like, how cool is that? And Lysander, what's the range of this thing? How far can you fly the drone?
So it depends. So I can, like, some of these drones, depending on the battery capacity, we can go up to 2 kilometers or 3.
2 kilometers, guys, with real-time camera view.
Yeah. So
What's the
I've
resolution in that goggles?
720p. transmission.
720p HD live real-time transmission from 2 kilometers range.
Yeah.
That is sick.
And that's a GoPro Hero 9.
This one is the youngest sibling out of all the three. And then we've got the middle brother, guys.
Yeah. This is a 2.5-inch micro whoop drone.
Oh. And then we've got the biggest and the Pro edition, which has like Hero 10 on top of it. Look at this little monster. So which one will be flying now?
I'll fly this one.
Okay, let's start with the big one, guys. Now this one has like Hero 10 on board, so you can expect like great video footage out of it. So he's gonna show us like how to quickly power it on and set it up, basically the initial part.
Okay, so I've got 1100 mAh.
What battery is that?
It's a Guaneng, it's a Chinese brand, but it's a 1100 mAh lithium polymer battery.
And how long is it gonna last? Look at the size. Give it to me. Look at this thing. Oh boy. Hold it.
Yeah, so ideally without a GoPro, it would give me about 9 or 10 minutes. And with the GoPro, because I'm installing a full GoPro, that's about 160 grams. Obviously, the flight time is going to reduce. So I'll get about 5 to 6 minutes of footage.
Okay, 5 to 6 minutes of footage with this battery.
Yeah. And I'm manually controlling the drone. Like as in most FPV drones are manually controlled, except for a few that are basically built and programmed in another software called iNav.
Nice. And you also need a battery for that headgear, right?
So
can you just give it to me, hand it over, I'll show it.
Yes.
Show it to my audience. Look at this thing. The battery for the headgear. He carries it in his pocket.
Yeah. So you can like as long as you can use different from 4S to 6S capacities.
Does it heat up in your pocket?
No, it doesn't. It does not. It should be drawing that much ampere from this for it to heat up. Since it's goggles, it does not take up so much.
Look at that headgear. Let me give them a closer look. Oh boy, you customized it, right?
Yeah, so I've installed true RC antennas to get more range and penetration.
Pretty sweet, man. So this is DJI's controller, right?
Yes, it's a DJI's proprietary FPV controller. This came out in their first. So these are the V1 goggles. I got this when the V1 launched, and they have V2 now, but I'm still using the V1 because obviously I don't have any.
What was the price of those goggles?
At the time it was close to about, like in USD it was about 35 or 40,000 US dollar price. Over here it's about 55,000. You have sellers that are selling it.
And what about this whole thing? What about the remote? How much does that cost?
That costs another 400 USD.
400 USD.
Yeah.
In rupees, that would be around?
That's about 25 to 28,000 rupees.
And the drone?
So the drone is it's a bit of a mixed bag. So I put it together.
No, remove the GoPro part. Just talk about the drone pricing.
So
how much did it cost you, like, build this whole thing?
So it'll cost you anywhere between 30 to 35,000 rupees.
So 35,000 for the drone, 25 to 30 for the remote, and 50 for the headset. So how much that sums up to around?
That's over 1 lakh. I'm not even talking about the GoPro yet.
You guys listening to that? So this guy spent almost like 1.5 lakh for this whole setup, guys. The whole collection of drones, remote, FPV headgear.
I sold my Mavic though.
He sold his old DJI Mavic. Remember a couple of months ago, I actually showed you, he bought a second-hand DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I made a video on that. So he sold that one.
I did.
And he bought this whole thing, custom rig, guys. Now this is going to be super fun, guys. We'll be flying the quad in our balcony. So our main plan is, we'll be taking the quad first out in this open outdoors. And from there, we'll be doing like a loop and coming back to indoors. And then again, we'll do like a barrel roll and come back out. Oh, holy shit. You guys saw that? Oh my god. Now that was crazy, right? Did you guys see the footage? It was super fun, guys. I had a lot of fun with these drones today. Thing is, I also wanted to fly these FPV racing drones, but to be honest, it's not that easy as it looks, guys, because it's not like similar to DJI ka Mavic drones. On the Mavic drones, you've got like a lot of sensors everywhere. They have like altitude hold and they're quite stable, guys. Even if you don't touch the remote also, now Mavic drone can stay stable in the air at that position only. But that is not the case with these tiny FPV racing drones. These are like full manual. You'll have to keep controlling them at every point of time. You'll have to keep adjusting the position, altitude. Otherwise, you'll definitely crash, especially if you're a beginner, pakka, and you'll face a big loss, guys. Because I've told you the pricing now. The drone itself will cost around like 35,000, and on top of that, if you have like a GoPro or any action camera, another 30,000. So if you crash this thing, yeah, you'll throw your money in air just like that. So before actually playing and having fun with these real FPV drones, these guys like highly recommend trying out FPV simulators and get experience, practice on them, and then try out the real one. Even my friend also did the same thing, guys. He actually had a lot of practice with simulators for quite some time before actually trying out the real one. So I also told I'll also practice some, and then maybe I can check out and fly one of these FPV drones. But anyways, I had like super fun, guys, and this is what I wanted to show you all in this video. I hope you people also got to learn a lot today and got to check out some amazing stuff. So if you all enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.